Alright, so, been quite some time since I recorded. Alright, so, Webster wanted me to play this. Even though I bought it as a joke, I didn't think I'd really play it. And there shouldn't be anything playing in the background. I have no noise, no nothing. Just let me know. Oh, I really hate you, Webster. I am blind. Oh, the fucking chair moved. Oh, God, no. Already? With the jump scares, motherfucker? Oh, God. Okay. Changed in game via options. I don't know. That's the problem. Standard difficulty. Oh, wow. Okay, I guess we're doing that. Oh, them toes look fucking atrocious. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, and it's sliding out. Oh.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
A call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation?
Castellanos. Okay, see, I could not pronounce
184,
that.
be advised.
Except for
Some
like-
problem reaching mountains on the Beacon Memorial on...
Is there any...
God damn it! Jesus!
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
What do you make of it?
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
Oh. This is my cue. I'm just sitting here. I'm like, oh, it's still a cutscene. Nah, had a God of War moment right there. No load screen. Kind of threw me off. Little bright for you there, little
Smells
Wally.
like blood. All right, stay sharp. We're gonna check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
I can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Lovely. Yeah, see, I couldn't tell the difference between shifting over. You're dead. You're definitely dead.
Did you hear
Dead.
something?
Dead. Like, can you imagine just like dying a death? Like,
Someone alive?
why are you in my ass, Jimmy? It's the only time I'm ever gonna get any. Like, I know that's hard. Fuck you so much. Yeah, receptionist.
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real. Impossible. Ruvik is...
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
Nah. Oh, shit. Every damn time.
What the hell?
Ooh. You're ugly. Am I dead? No, but I am upside down. Oh, man. Must be one shitty day. Hello, Monsieur Rat. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Ugh. Oh, she's making me sick. Ooh. Oh. You got a knife. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Give me. No. No, come here. Rotate. Come here. Give me a knife. Give me. No. That's what I'm doing. Damn it, give me. Ah! Come here. Come on, get the fucking knife. Dear God. Thank you. Shit. Ah. I hurt my back. I don't know what a back. That made my tailbone hurt. And we're just gonna go that way. Oh shit! I kind of figured that part.
Shit.
Yep. Oh. God. Ah! Oh, fuck! Oh. I'm not even 2 minutes in. God damn. What is this shit? wait in the corner. Wait for you to go by so I can get the door and unlock it, because you're a dick. Didn't know what not supposed to follow him. I mean, fuck. Jesus. Leave. Oh, but he's still got handcuffs in his fucking back pocket, of course. Of fucking course. I don't care. I'm going through this whole thing slow now. Holy fucking shit! Please don't tell me I die again. Oh shit, never mind. No, run, motherfucker, run! Oh god! No, why would you look back? You fucking idiot! There goes part of your leg. Oh, you were such a dick. Okay, well now I'm away from you. Oh, fucking course, you fucking get my leg and now you're gonna... Hobble, bitch! Hobble! Fucking, yeah, not examine, just open the fucking... Oh, no! Oh, it's so gross. You know, it's better than death. Never mind, I lied. Oh! Yeah, it's in your mouth. Oh, God. Yeah, that leg's gonna hurt for a little bit. Just add a little blood. Fuck. Come on, use that hobble foot, my guy. I know. Oh, get there. Oh, God. Yeah. Oh, shit. Hell no. Ugh. Jump into some more nasty shit. What? I don't know what the fuck that was, but I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. Come on, get over that poo-poo stained leg. Ugh. Oh, just all shit. Ugh. Like, ugh. Well, that door's clearly blocked, so... Oh, never mind. I'm a liar.
Where's the exit?
Somewhere, I suppose. Besides the locked gate on the far end of the sewer, there is a ladder which will take you to the old board. If you can make it through there, you would find an elevator leading outside. You would be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. That's ominous as fuck. Oh, there's a lock. I don't have to key it. No, I didn't think so. Nope, and there's two. Oh, okay. Come on. Come on, you ain't Lieutenant Dan yet, goddammit. Come on. You're one-legged Willie. I'm sorry. And she was running, but I was hobbling on one leg. Come on. Come on. Don't slip. Don't slip. You could have fucked up just then. Good sir. STEM system operation test begins. Success confirmation brainwave synchronization confirmation. Oh, tell you what. Okay. I got you. Even though I didn't read half that. Oh. I just intrusive thoughts. Just pull the fire alarm. Oh, you bitch. And now we're back to nasty shit. If this is a hospital, why is there so much shit and like bleh around, you know? What the fuck? Mold, that's the word. Sludge. Mold and sludge. Like why is everything just wet and dripping? Oh, there's pipes. I knew that. Oh, you fucking bastard. Again? How do I deal with you this time? Oh, shit. That's a conveniently placed locker. Clearly someone's mad. Oh! I want to stay in here. I don't want to go out there. Guess what? I have to. Oh. God, you're one ugly bitch. Oh, fuck me. No. Ow! 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 Run, you son of a bitch! Run! Oh, you motherfucker. That's 2 for the kill count! I'm so bad at this. Motherfucker's already got a hobble and I'm trying to hit sprint. Damn it. Back to the drawing board. How many times must I do this before I die? Oh, I don't like that. Come on. Ah, fuck me. Well, I had nothing against that. God damn it. There's 3. Okay, one more try.
Shit.
Run, motherfucker, run! 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 Oh, God. Oh, motherfucker. What do you mean they what? Oh, yeah, I'm sure, I'm fucking sure. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, Jesus. That only, took like 3 or 4 fucking tries. Jesus. Another bottle I could pick up? Nope. Nope. It's fine. Oh, calm the fuck on. Come on. Come on, crawl, bitch! Crawl! Ugh. Oh, God. Okay. You are such a bitch! God. We had the alfalfa hammy, yeah? Or no, what the? I don't even know. What?
Find myself within darkness twisting me.
That is bullshit.
Around. There is nothing I can do.
Already 3 times before I even get to fucking past the prologue. Jesus.
This world doesn't spin, it just turns itself around
That was horrible.
and around. The night chokes tight in the noose.
Oh, I'm not even past it yet. Oh, damn it. That's not creepy or eerie. Oh, that is, though. Oh, now your leg's all fine, huh? You son of a bitch. Where was that non-hobble a couple minutes ago, huh? Huh? shit, wrong door.
Detective! Get in! Get in!
There's that little warp fucker.
Hey, where's Joseph? Man, I'm sorry, but he never came out. I'd waited, but... Please, settle down, Leslie.
Settle down, Leslie. Settle down, Leslie. Settle down, Leslie.
Shit! There's no going back.
Just fucking crumbling. That's how them sugar cookies feel whenever you eat them bitches too. Just crumble. That was a very fat thing to say. What the fuck?
Shit.
Ooh.
Damn it. Are we cut off from everyone?
Everyone must be dead.
Everyone all right back there?
Just a few bumps. We're fine.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
We will be once we're far away.
Fine.
A little further and we'll be fine.
Oh, what the fuck?
Fine.
Oh.
Fine. Fine.
Okay.
Fine. 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 Fine.
Fall! Fall!
Oh shit! That's a fucking bad way to go out.
Look out!
Fall! Fall!
Oh. Well, that was that. Well, and that's where we are going to stop for today. Because that was even a little much for me. 25. Dear God.